So I recently finished up the first episode of Varsity Freshmen. It's a short episode, but nonetheless, it's a good one, I think. I like how the story is going right now and where I'm at with the progress of the comic. I started this like 2 months ago or so it's taking me a pretty long time to actually finish this and get it done, but I like how it came out, and it really makes me want to continue and work on the next part. Episode 2, and episode 2 is even longer than this first episode. My favorite part about the process was drawing the title illustration here. Even though the comic is in color, I wanted to draw something that was. So right now, as I show you the process of me sketching it, the episode is pretty much ready to be published, but I don't know if I should either publish it or if I should publish it on Webtoon, or if I should just wait for all episodes to be complete and just put it on there together. If I do that, then it's going to take a little bit while for me to actually publish it and get it on there, but I think it might be worth it that way. That way people can just read it in one sitting and not have to wait, because it's only 3 episodes, and that way I don't have to have that pressure of a deadline for the next upcoming episodes. This project is just fun to learn how to storyboard, learn how to create a sequential story with this basketball theme and these characters. I have lots of fun drawing it, lots of fun creating it. The next part I just need to work on is putting my sketches and my storyboards from my sketchbook into Clip Studio and refining the storyboards. So after I refine the storyboards and stuff and get all that together, it'll be fun to go in and ink it and stuff. I think my favorite part about doing this was actually the inking and applying all the tones and the gradients to it. Really gives it that manga feel, and I really enjoyed creating it, really enjoyed drawing it, and I think this will be the first series I complete, and I want to definitely finish it by the end of this year, before the year is over. So I'm just going to continue to create videos on it, continue to share my process with it, and hopefully teach people how to draw a comic. So with this video, it's just a quick time lapse of an update with the series. Episode 1 is done, but I don't think I want to post it yet. I want to get everything done and release it as like a final product. So until then, this is what I have for now to show on YouTube. This is my progress, and like I said, this is really enjoyable to create, really fun to explore a different setting. A lot of the time I draw like fantasy and more medieval type stuff, and that's what I do want to do that too, but it was fun to explore more realistic setting, a story about basketball, and just from my experience playing basketball, it was fun to create, and it was fun to create a comic about basketball. So it's not over yet. I don't know why I'm talking like it's the process is finished or nothing, but just creating this first episode was fun to do, and I just want to continue to do this, continue to update it, continue to work on it, and just continue to get better at this at drawing this comic. So I'll see you on the next video. If you have any questions or anything you want me to answer on how to create comics in Clip Studio, definitely want to help people out, and definitely want to share my progress and some tips I have to create on Webtoon, and create a comic in general through Clip Studio. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, just a quick little update video, and where I'm at. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.
Adrian.